Reducing dust and dirt to retain the high standards of health, safety, and environmental performance is a major task. The vacuum system solution from Dysab will make a difference. A strong and powerful solution, even for the most hard-to-reach areas. Our selection of accessories makes cleaning efficient. Save a significant amount of money every year by using the pre-separators for recycling and depositing materials. Electrical or diesel-powered vacuum units up to 160 kilowatts, easily connected to a piping system that will enable general housekeeping on a daily basis. The standalone cleaning machines are designed with different suction powers and discharge options for managing different sorts of materials. Connects directly to a piping system, but can also run by itself. Can easily be moved by using a truck or a forklift. Dysab vacuum systems are used every day to clean plant sites, remove dust and hazardous particulates, recycle spillages, transport and recycle valuable materials. Large range of equipment for an efficient central vacuum system solution. Vacuum units, filter separators, pre-separators, pipe systems, and all associated cleaning equipment. A complete stationary vacuum system with multiple outlets and operators. Everything from smaller standalone cleaning machines to powerful vacuum units up to 160 kilowatts. Disturbances in the production caused by dust and dirt can be expensive. Let Dysab eliminate unnecessary costs caused by unforeseen production stops and spillages. Dysab makes all the difference. Experience for yourself. Talk to us today and find out what we can do for your facility.